People say I'm a one-hit wonder, but what happens when I get to? Every time the sun comes up, I'm in trouble. Okay, that's a little verse line and a chorus line from Sharon Van Etten's Every Time the Sun Comes Up. It's a beautiful song, and I like it, and that's why I'm teaching it. It starts on a C, and it goes to a G, and then goes to an F. And for the F, I was playing a simplified version of first finger on the first fret, second string on your B string, second finger on your G, and your third finger on your D. Play just those three strings, or you can add in the high E. Either way is okay. Again, C, G, F. I'm going to show you a different arrangement in case that F is something that you're not ready for. This would be the chords most people learn are G, D, C. So we're going to use those chords to play it. Gotta adjust your ears. Every time the sun comes up, I'm in trouble. People say I'm a one-hit wonder, but what happens when I get to? We're starting on G. We're going to D, and then we resolve on the C. A quick comment about the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. So this is not to say that you have to play that strum pattern. I'm just trying to show you what the rhythm is. As long as you keep that feel, you can strum any pattern you want. Right, but the underlying rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Makes sense to you? You know, just stick with that. The rhythm of the song is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Give you a different way to think about it. The song has a shuffle feel. So it's 1, E and. 1, E and. 2, E and. 3, E and. 4, E and. All right, so it's got that kind of pulsing rhythm. And you know, no matter how you're strumming, you gotta keep that rhythm going. And just for sticking around this far, I'm going to show you a little guitar trick. Little riff you can use over that second arrangement with the G and the D and C. We're going to start out on the 7th fret with our index finger on the first string, and we're going to put it on the 8th fret, our second finger on the second string. It's going to give us our G harmony. Then we're going to slide down get our D. This is the index finger on the high E and at the 5th fret. And then our ring finger, we're going to switch to our ring finger for the 2nd string. And then we just slide that same fingering down to the 3rd and the 5th frets. Okay, and if our fretboard was long, we could just keep going down with that same pattern, and it goes up as well. So that's a simple harmonized scale which you can use to play melody. So thanks for watching, and enjoy playing this song, and oh, please subscribe. It helps me grow my channel. So thanks. Bye.